Oh. Oh. Who is that?
Oh, here, look.
What else? Look what
you
else.
should see what's in here.
This might go with it. You might want to open this one too.
Here, sit down and open that.
Sit down and open it, Annika.
Oh, she put her with her other dolls.
That one's really nice looking. I forgot how nice.
It's the winter area.
She has legs. Oh, is that her dresses? That's Ariel. Oh, look, and more shoes. Oh, and more crowns. What do you think?
Are they pretty?
I'm opening mine. Purple. And it goes to see Ariel has her feet. Annika, she has her feet. She's now a human.
This one.
You want me to put that on her?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it here. I'll put it on her. Do you like Ariel? Annika, are you happy with your Ariel doll?
Yeah.
Yeah?